G and his kitchen. This video is about saving money, time, and energy. Have you wanted to bake a cake, which you do not bake every day, a special cake? And when you look at the ingredients, what you see are things you do not know where to get, like sour cream, unsweetened chocolates. This video is to help you get cheap substitutes to make it easier for you. Continue watching. Sometimes you can't get the ingredients in the neighborhood. So why go the long distance to get one or two items unless you are bulk buying? And God help you if there is traffic. As I said, this video is about saving money, which is very, very important, and time. This video on simple substitutions is going to be in 3 parts. This is the introduction. Please continue watching. This is the first talk.